everybody, and welcome back to another Yin yoga class. Today we're going to do a shorter session that will focus on the shoulders and the neck. So let's begin in child's pose, and we'll have our hands reaching towards the front of the mat as we're there, just helping to open up through your upper body. Bring your forehead down to the mat if you can. If you can't, you can rest it onto a yoga block or a cushion. And keep actively reaching your fingertips away from you. Notice that activation in your upper body and keep breathing into all of those sensations that you feel. Now walk both of your hands over towards the left side of your mat, and they might come way off of your mat. Then bring your forehead back down, and you'll start to feel that opening all through the right side of your body. And again here, just keep breathing into the sensations that you feel. Now let's take it to the opposite side, walking both hands over to the right. And feeling all that you feel on the left side of the body. And then let's make our way back to center. From here we'll come into Anahatasana. So lift your hips up. Have them stacked above your knees and reach your hands towards the front of your mat. Melt your chest down. You'll start to feel that opening all through your chest, your shoulders, and your arms. Just take a few breaths in here. From here, bring your right hand onto your left arm. So it might come to grip the elbow or the forearm, maybe the upper arm. There's no right or wrong. We'll hold the right hand here for 1 minute and then we'll switch to the opposite side. Bring your right forearm back to the mat and then come to hold that right arm with your left hand. Now slowly come out of the pose, bringing your hips back towards your heels, finding child's pose here by bringing your knees together, and then hands can come to rest next to your feet with the palms facing up. Forehead makes its way back to the mat or a cushion. We'll just rest here for a few breaths. Again, feeling that opening through your upper back and your shoulders. Let everything drip down. When you're ready, you can make your way back up into a seat on your mat. Perhaps sitting cross-legged if that suits you, and you're welcome to sit up on a cushion or a yoga block here. So we'll spend some time on our neck now. So you can just drop your left ear over your left shoulder, feeling that opening all through the right side of your neck. And again, breathe into whatever sensations you feel. You might take this stretch a little bit further by interlocking your fingers behind your back and then bringing your hands over to the left side of your body. Ask that left elbow to point back behind you, moving super slowly and being mindful of everything you feel. You might be starting to feel that stretch now within your right shoulder as well. Keep breathing into it. The deeper you can breathe, the deeper you can stretch. Lift your head back to center. Release your hands. And then drop your right ear over your right shoulder. Saying hello to the left side of your neck with your breath. Option to go that little bit deeper again by interlocking your fingers and then bringing your hands over to the right side. Ask your right elbow to point back behind you. Keep pointing that elbow back. It might be tempted to, or it might creep back beside you. And now you can lift your head again and release your hands. From here, just look down towards your mat, stretching through the back of your neck. And then look up, opening up through your throat and the front of your neck. Eyes can come forward again. And then we'll take a little twist into the spine and the neck. So bring your left hand back behind you and the right hand over onto the left knee. Inhale to lengthen your spine. And as you exhale, rotate from the base of your back through your mid-back into your upper back and your neck. So now maybe you're looking over your left shoulder. Each inhale lengthens your spine again, and each exhale helps you to twist. One more big breath in and out here. When you're ready, come back to center and we'll repeat in the opposite side. Take one more breath in and out. And come back to center. Do whatever you need to release your spine and your neck. And we will end this short yoga session here. So thank you so much for joining me. I hope you found this beneficial. If you enjoyed the video, leave it a thumbs up and subscribe if you're not already subscribed to my channel. I would love to practice with you again in the future. So I'll see you again soon on the mat. Until then, take good care of yourself and goodbye.